Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm rocking my twist out. Yeah, so I've been locked up in the house like everybody else, and I've gotten extremely lazy. I literally wake up on the morning, get out of bed slowly, probably eat one, two things, watch television, then find myself back in bed. This has been my routine. It is not good, so I am trying to start pushing back the videos. So today I wanted to talk about the long-awaited weight loss video, right? Weight loss journey, sorry. So I have never really been like a big person. I fluctuated from being really slim to gaining weight when I was pregnant, but I didn't gain that much. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple of tips and tricks of like what I did and what I didn't do, right? To make sure that I maintain the size that I am right now, basically. Like I'm not too big, I'm not too skinny, but I'm perfectly fine with that. I could get a little bit more ass, but yeah. So first thing, if you're pregnant right now and you're watching this, my advice, you are not eating for two, okay? People tend to say, especially down here on in St. Lucia, people tend to say you're eating for two, you need to double your food intake, you need to take more of this. No, honey. You're eating for one and a little person, literally. So I had this mindset, right, when I was pregnant, throughout my pregnancy. I would not eat for two. I literally had my plate of food and that was it. And I tend to like, I would make the serving a little bit smaller because, as you know, as pregnant women, well, before when I was pregnant, we tend to snack, right? And we snack a lot. So as a result, I basically separated my meals into like six different meals, yeah, six different meals throughout the day, right? So in the morning, I would have a smoothie for breakfast, always have a smoothie for breakfast with my collagen in there, my collagen powder. I can, let me know if you guys want to know the type of collagen I used, right? My collagen powder in there in the morning, my banana, my fruits, probably veggies, some kale. That to start off the day. Around 10 o'clock, I would probably have like, if I didn't have a banana in my smoothie, probably have that then, or probably have some biscuits or some snack of some sort, but not too much. Lunchtime, I would have a proper meal with my protein, carbohydrates, whatever it was that my mom either cooked up or I cooked up. I craved green fig and backs for some reason. That was just, right? So I'd have that. And then in the afternoon around 3 o'clock, my mom would insist I take another snack because she insisted that the baby needs to grow and all that stuff. But instead, I would either have an iced coffee. Now, my doctor allowed me to have caffeine. She said it was okay since it was something that I did regularly before I got pregnant. It was okay to do while pregnant, right? But I just decreased the amount of caffeine I put in my coffee, right? So I took like, I normally took like a huge scoop, but since pregnant I took like a smaller scoop in there, and I'll have that around like 3, 4, 5 o'clock ish. And then for dinner I would probably do something light again. Half the time I didn't used to get hungry at dinner time because I tend to eat so much during the day, right? So that's my advice. You're eating for 1.5. I was, you guys know, when you're pregnant, you get weighed whenever you go to the doctor. They weighed me, and the doctor realized that my weight, it kind of fluctuated between 1, 2 numbers. Like it did not just shoot up, right? And she was really happy that I was maintaining the range that I was supposed to. So, next pointer. Straight after giving birth, I was not able to breastfeed. When my son came out, I did not really have the milk thing going just yet, and I was really afraid because I was told that breastfeeding is the major way to lose weight after giving birth. So I came out, he wasn't like latching on and whatnot, so they ended up giving him formula. When he first came out, he had his first bottle was formula, and then moments later a doctor came in, and thank God she said, You know what? Let the baby latch on. He's gonna get used to it. Stuff is gonna come out. Just let it happen naturally. Stop giving the kid formula. You put the kid on me, and the kid latched, and everything was a-okay after that. So I breastfed, and I'm still breastfeeding. So my major weight loss tip after birth, girls, breastfeed. Breastfeed, breastfeed, breastfeed. Now, if you cannot breastfeed, that's something different. At least if you cannot breastfeed, there's other alternatives that you can do. But I'm speaking from experience. I breastfed my son only and up until he was 6 months. When he was 6 months, we started introducing like lighter foods and, you know, smash this, smash that. And to this point, he's now 10 months, almost 10 and a half, and he's still being breastfed. He breastfeeds all night long, right? So that was a major thing for me to, that's a major thing that helped me to lose weight. My next tip, drink water. I drink a huge bottle of water. Almost every video I keep pushing the water thing. Yes, I drink a huge bottle of water every day. I feel like the water cleans, it clears your system, removes the toxins, etc. And it helps you feel fresh and hydrated. And since quarantine started, I have been a little, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the dog. I hope you can't. I have been a little bit laid back on the water thing. So I should be drinking the full bottle, but I'm kind of slacking off a little bit, which is not good. My next tip, if you can get lemons or limes, squeeze a little lemon or lime in your water and have that instead. It detoxifies your body. Also, I used to drink, here it is. I used to drink apple cider vinegar. That's the Mother Earth one, because this is the one I put in my hair. So as you can see, there's stuff in the bottom of it. So I used to drink apple cider vinegar on a morning. Just take a spoon of apple cider vinegar and mix it with a glass of water, squeeze in some lemon, probably put some cayenne pepper if I feel like I can handle it in the morning. Yeah, I just drink that in the morning, every morning. That helped a lot. It, for some reason, when I drank it, I felt a little bit fuller on mornings. Next tip, yes, I'm moving through this really quickly because I know you guys don't have time to waste on this video. You just want to get cracking with these tips. Next tip, green tea. It tastes horrible, okay? I don't like it. I don't think I will ever like it, but you get used to the taste. So I used to put green tea, the tea bags, I used to sip it in hot water, etc., and then pour it into a huge water bottle and fill it in with cold water because I prefer drinking it cold for some reason. Hot is not really my cup of tea. Yeah, I did not add any sugar in there. So on the sugar note, I stopped using sugar. I tend to have a lot of sweet snacks, so adding sugar in my tea and in my coffee was just a big no-no for me. I prefer drinking my coffee straight black, no sugar. I drink a lot of coffee as well. That's another tip. Yeah, I'm going through this super quickly. Next tip, after pregnancy, I kept doing the smoothie thing. I used to have a smoothie in the morning for breakfast. Basically stopped all the fried stuff, and yeah, I stopped all that stuff. Smoothie in the morning for breakfast, have a regular meal at lunchtime, and probably have dinner, right? And then when I did not have access to this smoothie, for instance, my mom forgot to get me fruits, I would just mix like 2 scoops of oats, dried oats, that's the instant oats. Just pour that into my bowl and put some warm water in there, top it off with some raisins and some granola, put a scoop of peanut butter, and that would be breakfast. I know it sounds like a lot, but the oats tend to fill up your tummy, so your tummy is full for longer, thus you eat less. Yeah. My next tip, moving quickly, I tend to work out, right? But that's only when I remember, which is like probably 2 or 3 times a week, should be more, but you know, a girl don't really like to work out. So yeah, but my workout is basically cardio. So I do a lot of jumping jacks. I have an elliptical trainer in my room that I use. I would put my elliptical trainer in front of the TV and turn on my favorite program, probably watch Big Bang Theory, and 2 hours would go by like that, and I won't realize that I'm still working out until my legs are basically ready to fall off the damn thing. So try to fit in as much cardio as you can. Oh, on that note, something I remember when I gave birth to my son, you know how babies are like fussy just before they fall asleep, or when they want to fall asleep, they get really fussy. So I used to dance with him a lot. So you know, babies sleep like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times a day. They take several naps. Whenever he's ready and he gets fussy, I would take him and literally start dancing all over the house. Go outside, probably put on some slow jam and rock him, rock him, rock him, dance with him. And this would go on for hours. He would fall asleep on me, and I'm jamming to the music so much that I don't realize the kid is sleeping. I can stop dancing now. So I have a feeling that that pushed, in fact, I know that that pushed my weight loss a lot. So yeah, my next tip is dancing. Dance away, okay? As much as you can. I would be in the kitchen in the morning preparing breakfast for myself. Right now, my son doesn't get fussy before he goes to sleep anymore. He just knocks out. So I would be in the kitchen on the morning preparing breakfast for him, and I'm busy jamming. I always have music turned on in my house. I'm busy jamming. I'm dancing away. My mom is like, what's going on? But she's gotten used to it, so it's okay. So I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how much weight I lost. I'm gonna give you numbers now. Before I got pregnant, I was weighing, like, it fluctuated between 120 125, right? And when I got pregnant, it started going up. So my doctor estimated that by the end of my pregnancy, like when I hit 9 months, I was supposed to be like around 175, right? That's how much she thought I would gain. But at the end of my pregnancy, I was 159. So I weighed a little less than the amount she expected me to. So when I was 8 months pregnant, I went into the doctor, got weighed, and my weight started dropping. Now she got worried because she felt like something's wrong. You're not supposed to be losing weight when you're pregnant. You're supposed to be gaining. But the following day when I came back, because she had me coming in basically regularly, because she was a little afraid that I would end up having an early birth. So she weighed me again, and she realized like I went up 1 pound. So she just left it alone, thank God. And after I gave birth, exactly after I gave birth, I literally went down by 10 pounds. My son was only 7 pounds. I guess the rest was the water and the bag and all that stuff. And fast forward, when he turned 3 months, I was down to like, okay, let me start minusing in my head. Yeah, when he turned 3 months, I was down to like 130, right? And I just kept going down. So right now I am at, I think, 127. So my goal is to get back to between 120 125, but at the same time I want to get my ass up there. You get me? I need to, like, because I have no booty right now. It's literally flat. But that's not why you guys are watching this video anyways. So I wish you guys luck with your weight loss journey. Any tips that you have that's worked for you, you can put it down below. Let us share. Let us help each other along this journey. Is there anything else that I did? No. I tend to not do all the weight loss supplements. I don't really believe in it. I feel like you either get addicted, or the supplement is finished and you lost a ton of weight, but you end up bouncing back immediately after. So try to stay away from the supplements. Do the natural stuff, the apple cider vinegar with lemon and cayenne pepper, yes. Do the little dances around the house. You're in quarantine right now. You might as well do a little dance. Work out a little. If you don't feel like literally doing the pumping iron and the push-ups and stuff, just dance around the house. Something simple is gonna help you burn that calories. And any any little calories that you burn, it all adds up in the end. Did I say that right? Yeah, the little adds up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time, and that will be really soon. Please like and subscribe.